Hi children, good morning all of you. Good morning all of you children. See, yesterday we started a new lesson, no? What is the name of that lesson? Energy from the sun. See, we come across that sun is the source of energy for all the planets in our solar family. Because of what reason? Sun is a star. And sun can produce the energy in the form of what? Heat and light. Okay, here you see that I am going to read for you here energy and sun's rays. See here, the principal source of energy on the earth's surface, it's like powerhouse which generate and gives us energy in the form of light and heat. Say, as we already discussed now, so this is what actually the principal source of energy. So we all know that all the plants which are actually produce the food, how do actually they produce food? Using sunlight, water, soil, nutrients and all, isn't it? So without sunlight, is there possibility of making food among plants? No, isn't it? So you come across now in our subject NS, photosynthesis process. So through the process called photosynthesis, that plants produce food. Okay, so this is what the sun can be called as powerhouse. It can be called as powerhouse, which generates what? Energy in the form of heat and light. Okay, children. Now you see here, the energy which is emitted by the sun is known as what here? Solar radiation. What is it called? Solar radiation. Children, you have to underline these terminological words and have to write them as keywords in one word sentence. Okay, what do you mean by solar radiation? The energy constantly emitted by the sun is known as solar radiation. Okay, see, when a body gives out energy is what called radiation. Any body, it's not only sun. You see, for example, you may be having a battery, so, or cell. So the battery or cell also can emit the energy. No, electricity, for example, if you take electricity, power. So this is also what called radiation. So the energy which is produced by the sun, how does it actually reach to our earth? Yeah, very good. It does reach to earth in the form of rays. What they are called? Sun rays. Do you know how much time does it take for sunrise to reach earth? It's nearly about 8 minutes time. It takes about 8 minutes time to reach the sun rays take. Okay. See, some of the energy that we get from sun, we can find, we can feel, we can see, we can feel. For example, if you take for example that light, sunlight, we can see the sunlight, but heat, we can feel it, isn't it? How much it is hot, how much of hot it is, how much it is cool. Okay, we find some other ways of energy from the sun. We find in other forms, like we find UV rays. Do you know what is UV rays? Ultraviolet rays. They are what called? Ultraviolet rays అంటారు. అంటే తెలుగులో మనకి అతి నీలలోహిత కిరణాలు అంటారు. They are very dangerous for our skin. Particularly it may cause skin cancer and some other. Okay, like radio waves, X-rays. So these are other forms of rays which may actually reach to the surface, but we cannot see them, or even we cannot feel them, because they won't reach to earth sometimes. These kind of UV rays like radio waves and X-rays. Okay, so you see that the energy radiated by the sun is more or less constant with very little variation throughout the year or year after year. So what do you mean by here? The radiation, that what we discussed here, radiation means the constant emission of energy by the sun is what called solar radiation. So this is కాన్స్టెంట్లీ, దట్ మీన్స్ ఎప్పుడు స్థిరంగా ఒకేలా ఉంటుంది, ఒకసారి ఎక్కువ ఒకసారి తక్కువ అనేది ఉండదు. సో త్రూ అవుట్ ఇయర్ వీ ఫైండ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఎమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. బట్ వీ ఫైండ్ హియర్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ ఇన్ వాట్ వీ ఫైండ్ దిస్ ఎనర్జీ ఆన్ earth in different parts according to the seasons we may experience in our country. Okay, then what causes the change in temperature on the earth? See, what is that reason? Why do you find the changes in temperature on the earth? Earth మీద టెంపరేచర్లో చేంజ్ రావడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటి? we will discuss later this one. Now we see that earth emits the sun emits the energy, but we already discussed planets receive the energy from the sun. Sun నుంచి planets ఎనర్జీని రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాయి. సో దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ రిసీవింగ్ ఎనర్జీ is what called insolation. What is it called? Insolation.